In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create 6 elegant cake borders using a 2D tip. I recommend practicing on a cookie sheet or parchment paper before attempting to decorate on a cake. What you will need is a piping bag, pipeable icing, a 2D tip, or any closed star tip shown here. To create a spiral border, create small continuous circular motions. To create a wavy border, create a letter C with a long tail, and at the end of the C, start a new C and repeat. To create a shelf border, create a slightly forward and longer backward motion and repeat, creating some overlap. To create an alternating rows border, create a full circle, come to the bottom side of a new circle and complete the circle. Then come to the top side of a new circle and complete the circle. Repeat this pattern in a continuous motion until finished. To create a zigzag border, in one continuous motion, go from side to side or top to bottom, depending on whether you are decorating the top or side of a cake. To create an S scroll border, create an S, follow through, and create a backwards S, repeating the pattern until finished. Here are pictures of the 6 different borders using the 2D tip. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. For links to cake decorating tools seen in this video, please check the description below.